Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make candy lollipops. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 3/4 of a cup of water. You will also need a candy thermometer, lollipop sticks, and molds. Make sure your workspace is clean and all equipment is ready before you begin the cooking process. Next, combine the sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves over medium heat. Once boiling, insert your candy thermometer and avoid stirring. Continue cooking until the mixture reaches 300 degrees F, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is crucial for the lollipop's texture. Once the syrup reaches 300 degrees F, remove it from the heat right away. This is the moment to add your desired food coloring and flavor extract. Be quick but careful, as the mixture is extremely hot and will start to cool and thicken rapidly. Stir just enough to incorporate the additions evenly throughout the candy base. Finally, carefully pour the hot candy mixture into your prepared lollipop molds. Immediately place a lollipop stick into each mold, twisting slightly to ensure it's fully coated and secure. Let the lollipops cool completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. Once firm, gently remove them from the molds and enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.